up guys, it's your girl Damo and I'm back to bring you guys another unboxing video. So before we get into this unboxing video, please make sure you hit that subscribe button down below and also turn on your notifications so you will be notified that I uploaded a new video. And also give me a thumbs up on this video because why not? You guys already know this is my Hare Jordan 6s unboxing. I was able to score these from his Foot Locker for retail price and I am super excited to unbox these sneakers because I love me a good pair of Hare 7s. So the 6s, these is fire. So for these were $140 for grade school and $190 I believe for men's. I wear grade school sneakers, so here they are in a size 6.5 grade school. These babies are super fire. The colorway for these are neutral gray, white, and black. Super clean colorway. These are clean just like the 7s, like no complaints. I love the 7s. I have the countdown pack 7s and they are a beat. That's how much I love these sneakers. So when they was releasing in a pair of 6s, I was like, those are mine. So of course this colorway pulled from the OG Hare colorway. You had to. It's not a pair, it's not a Hare if there's no Hare pattern. So on the inside of these there is the infamous Hare pattern, and also with the 6s you can see it through the tongue, which is covered in like a cloudy white plastic right here. I think that's dope. And I love these because they have the carrot lace lock. Like, this is a super clean touch. And the soles on my Hares, the soles also, they're not a true white, they're like a milky, like off white. So the soles here are the same way. Then you have the gray suede, like the OGs. Let's, you know, keep it 100. Then when you get to the bottoms, I love the soles on these. The soles on these are super clean. They're like a translucent red. I love this sole. This sole is mean, like for real, this sole is mean. And you have the purple Jumpman. Then when you get to the back, you have the purple Jumpman with the purple ear ends. Along the pull tab you have the purple stitching. I'm not sure if you guys can see it. There's the purple stitching, and I don't have too many, you know, bad things to say about the sneaker. I think it was executed rather nicely. Like, they pulled this colorway off in a nice way. Like, the quality of these look amazing. The colorway is amazing. Everything about this sneaker is amazing. I might be biased because I am a big fan of the Hare 7, so maybe that's why I'm just like so in love with these. But overall, I'm not complaining. These is fire. And I know these is fire because they sold out so quickly. I didn't expect these to sell out that quickly, but they did. I guess everyone's back on the JB wave. I don't know what happened. But if you collect sneakers, you know what I mean. Sneakers used to sit for days, weeks. They used to just be sitting. Not sneakers, sorry. Let me rephrase that. Jordans used to sit for days, weeks after release. And now all of a sudden they're flying off the shelves. Like, what's up? Jordan 6 Hares. I'm glad to have these in my collection. Like, these is super fire. If I'm able to find these, I'll link them down below in the description box so you guys can pick up a pair. But as always, thank you guys for watching my unboxing video, and I can't wait to see you guys in my next video. So you already know the drill.